Introduction to entry-level coding jobs.
Switching to a career in software can be exciting and rewarding. Many entry-level coding roles are designed for beginners, offering strong training and growth opportunities. Understanding which positions are most accessible can help you focus your job search and start your new journey with confidence.
Junior web developer.
Junior web developers build websites and simple web applications using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These roles are popular for beginners because online resources and courses are widely available. Employers look for creativity, problem-solving skills, and a willingness to learn new tools and frameworks.
Quality assurance tester.
Quality assurance testers, also known as QA testers, ensure software works as intended by detecting bugs and issues. This role often uses scripting languages and manual testing methods. It's a great fit for detail-oriented career switchers eager to learn coding basics and understand how software products are built.
Support or help desk developer.
Some companies hire support or help desk developers to handle customer questions, fix minor technical problems, and maintain internal tools. These roles are suitable for beginners with strong communication skills and basic coding knowledge, often providing on-the-job training in languages like Python or SQL.
Data analyst.
Data analysts use programming languages such as Python or R to analyze and visualize data. Many positions are open to those with transferable skills from other fields, such as business or research. This path allows new coders to leverage analytical thinking and gain hands-on coding experience.
Getting started in your coding career.
To land an entry-level coding job, start by building foundational skills through online courses, coding bootcamps, or self-study. Practice projects and a simple portfolio can help showcase your growth. With determination and the right resources, career switchers can thrive in the world of software development.